You know, people expect things from others they are not willing to give. To me, I think that's one of the most delusional things you can do in building any type of relationship, business, colleagues. People have to be able to trust you. And they have to be able to trust you in a way where you honor your word. Like, just the little things. If you say you're going to do something, can you stand on it? Do someone have to remind you to do these things? Or is this just a part of you and this is who you are? And I look at myself more like the sun. You know, person don't have to tell the sun to come up. You don't have to tell the sun that you need some warmth. You know what I mean? You don't have to tell the sun, hey, it's daytime now. It's time to shine. You don't have to do that with the sun because the sun already knows its position and it honors it. The crazy thing about it, it's going to stand on business when everybody else don't. When everybody else don't keep their word, we know the sun and the moon is coming up. So I like to tailor my life after that because nature itself, you know, show us how we should operate. And, you know, I just believe in, I'm willing to go that extra mile. And if I'm willing to go that extra mile for me, I have to be willing to go that extra mile for whoever it is that I'm dealing with, for business, relationships. And we have to make sure, family, that we have the same people aligned with us because sometimes people can be attracted to your hustle, what you can get. They can be attracted to your provision, how you carry yourself, the way you take care of yourself. They want to be taken care of like that. But they don't have that element to say that they got your back, fam. Like, and what we're going through in this day and age, fam, we need people in our corner that got our backs. We don't have to second guess you. You know what I mean? If I told you I was there, I'm going to be there before I told you, waiting on you. That's how I believe. You know what I mean? And that's the type of people you have to operate with, fam. Like, literally, like, dealing with all forms of relationships. And, you know, a lot of my young kings, they get so caught up in the way the woman looks and they make decisions just based on her looks, period. You haven't seen her character. You don't know anything about her values. None of that, fam. You know, so I would recommend that a person get to know a person and allow that person to show you. And if they get to doing anything funny, then they letting you know who they are. So that way you can make the proper decision. But this is 2025, fam. We're about to end this here soon. And we know this is the year of exposure, and we can't just keep wasting time with people. We can't keep wasting time, life period, because we don't know how long we got. And just a rule of thumb, fam. You only live once, fam. There's only going to be one name on that tombstone. So you have to make sure that you're doing this for the right reasons. And you got to make sure the people that you're networking with are on the same page. That's all. That's it. Hold on.